Once upon a time, there lived a monkey on an apple tree. The apples were a bright red color and extremely juicy. One day, a crocodile came to the tree and asked the monkey for some apples. The monkey was glad to help. He even gave the crocodile some apples to take home for his wife. When his wife tasted the apples, he grew curious to taste the monkey's heart. The persuaded her husband to get the monkey's heart for her or else he would die. The crocodile was in a dilemma, but finally agreed. The next day, when he went to the shore, he invited the monkey to his home. The monkey gladly accepted. He sat on the crocodile's back and they started their journey. When they reached the middle of the water, the crocodile started sinking low and told the monkey his plan. The monkey did not lose his presence of mind and said that he had left his heart on the tree and that the crocodile would have to take him back. The foolish crocodile took him back to the shore at once. That monkey leaped to the tree and told the crocodile that he was the biggest fool on the planet. The monkey had made a mistake to trusting him.